Hey, what's up team? So check it out. In this build video, I'm gonna teach you how to make this really cool thing for your wings so you don't have to launch it by hand in the middle of winter, but you can sit in your car or you can sit in your house all toasty warm and launch your wing all winter long. This build video goes out to birthday boy Christopher Perry. Love you, man. After some trial and error, this launcher works really well for anything that's 36 inches and under. A smaller right wing, Defiant, TBRC, or Sweep wings will work fine. But anything bigger than that, especially as the wings get heavier, you're gonna need a longer rail system on this launcher for those kinds of wings to get enough airspeed to take off. If not, this is gonna happen to you. Here's your materials list. You're gonna need about 50 inches of 1/2-inch PVC, 5 T-connectors, a pencil, a ruler, a heat gun, and a handsaw. That's it. Here we go. First, we're gonna focus on the main rail system of this launcher, which is the upright support on the left and right side of the launcher. I'm gonna measure out 25 inches for this main rail, and I'm gonna put the bend in the support before I insert the T, which will be the backstop for the elevons. This gives me a little bit more leverage to work with before I make that critical cut. All right, now I'm gonna use the heat gun to put the bend in the main rail support. I'm making this one a little taller than maybe you want to because I plan on using it in the snow. So my bend point will be 7.5 inches up. Again, we're looking for right around 70 degrees, so it's a pretty steep angle. It's nice and cool out here today, about 35 degrees, so it's gonna set pretty quickly. And just like that, we have our angle. The cool part is, later on you can adjust this angle simply by rotating these rail arms in the support system. I'm not gluing any of the connection pieces for that purpose. You can hold them together like this while it's cooling to make sure you get the same angle. Once that's set, we're gonna make a cut to insert the first T, which is the backstop. I'm making this mark around 2 inches up. It doesn't have to be exact. Insert your T and your first bend. Make sure it's perpendicular with the backstop. Next is to cut about a 2-inch length for your backstop. Booyah. The last part is to create the base of your launcher, which is not only going to set the width of it for your specific wing or wings, but it's also the place where we put the horizontal support. This is the key to the whole system because it allows you to fine adjust this launcher. Check it. You can even adjust for torque roll by lowering the rail support of the arm which the propeller is turning toward at the apex of the turn. For my wings, I'm going to measure 2 5-inch lengths and 1 15-inch length for the support. I'm gonna assemble the base now. And there you go, just like that, you have a nice 1/2-inch PVC launcher. Let's fly with them.
3, 2, 1. Wherever you guys are, have fun flying.
Fly or die. Peace.